Good morning, everybody. Now I am with Carlos and Veronica and Ina, Irma, and
Ready to
go back to
Chicago.
Colombia, Capito. I see you, Capito. How you feel, Indonesia? You just married with my how you say sister?
Yeah, yes.
So how you felt married with the Indonesian or specialist from Nias Island? Tell
Great.
me what
I
one
love.
word.
Great. I've always loved the culture for so long, and now that I'm married with Ika, I feel like I'm part of the family of and also part of the Indonesian culture that I love so much.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope you can teach her the new culture in Chicago and bring her to the new life.
I sure will, and she will be sharing her stories throughout months and years to come.
So congratulations, huh?
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye bye.